Magandang hapon po ng Sunday, June 14, 2026. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Sunday, June 14, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng June 14, 2026 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Sunday, June 14, 2026. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 and Super Lotto 649 for June 14, 2026, Sunday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Sunday, June 14, 2026. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.